Hi guys, my name is Neka. How you doing? I hope everyone is fine. So today we are going to learn how to use cream to make our cream work for us effectively. I know that a lot of people will say, really? Is it that they are not using their creams, in a proper way? A lot of us do not know how to apply cream, or a lot of us apply cream and it doesn't work for us. And that is because we do not apply it in a way that that will maximize the benefit of the cream. For example, some of us have used creams that are expensive, that have ceramides, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, all those beautiful things in creams, but we do not get benefit of it, and that is because we do not maximize our creams. We do not use it in a way that the cream will sink into. Or say for example, you take your bath and then you apply cream, and then you wear your clothes, and then you're off. And before you get to your car, or before you get to the afternoon, maybe in your workplace, you see that your skins are chapped. Your expensive cream, observe that they are not working, and then you switch to the next expensive one, and another next, and another next. However, and sometimes we even talk down on some of those creams and say that they didn't quite give us what they promised us. But that's not the case. Today I'm going to share with you how to maximize your cream so that it works for you. A lot of us use night and day cream, yet it doesn't work for us. What happens is this: we use this cream, but we do not use this occlusive agent to coat them to form natural barrier. So what happens is that our pillow and our beddings just wipes everything off, and then the cream is not able to achieve what it's meant to achieve. How to use these creams are to apply this cream, take our bath, exfoliate where necessary, take our bath, apply cream, and allow the cream to sink in a bit. Do not just apply cream immediately and wear your clothes, because you know what? Your clothes is going to wipe out what you have used. The cream that you have used is going to clean it off. So what it means is that you should use your cream, allow it to dry. Do not wear your clothes with your cream wet. It is going to wipe off. And do not rub your cream with your body entirely dry. Let your skin be wet before you apply your cream. What I'm saying is, they do not apply your cream while bathing, as in extremely wet, but have some water on your skin. You understand what I mean? If you're going to be you're going to be pasting your cream on a dry skin, it has not a lot of effect. Neither are you going to use it in the shower. How to use it is to leave a little bit of wetness on your skin, and a clean skin. A clean skin, hopefully, like a polished skin that's already clean, clogged pores, no white head, no black heads. So you apply your cream, and it's able to, you apply that cream so that your cream can penetrate, and then allow your skin to dry. You can wear maybe your underwears and allow the cream to dry on your body. And when it dries on your body, please use an occlusive skin barrier. When you want to use egg to illustrate it, it's also like the shell of an egg that protects. That's the barrier, external and internal. So it protects the egg internally and also protect the egg externally, so that it's not harmed or hurt. So that is what ceramides are. And when you use ceramides, you are meant to benefit from it because they are not cheap. But our not being able to use these creams well causes us to lose out from the benefits of this cream. Something like Vaseline, and use it to coat your body. It's going to give you two benefits. It's going to give you slugging. It's a slugging agent, and it's going to seal off the cream. This cream that you have initially used is going to lock it up. So your cream, this occlusive agent, that's the barrier, skin barrier, will not allow trans epidermal water loss. So it locks up the water and the moisturizer down. It holds down. So it is between, if that ceramide is going to happen on your skin by force, the niacinamide benefits will happen to your skin by force. So it locks it up and the cream does not have anywhere to go. So if anything is going to clean off, it's going to be the Vaseline and not the niacinamide being erased by your beddings. So it's going to lock it up and it will form a barrier. If anything is going to be missing, it's going to be the barrier. And trust me that if you carry it overnight, 12 hours, 6 hours, 12 hours, that the difference is going to be better than somebody who just apply cream and then the cream didn't dry, he wears night dress and then he sleeps. You are going to benefit more when you use this Vaseline, this a petrolatum. Let me not call it Vaseline because you can have Vaseline. Some other person can have other brands, Aquaphor, Johnson & Johnson, CeraVe, all of those petrolatums. So it must not be Vaseline, but let it be petrolatum, petroleum jelly, a healing jelly. That best of it would be the one that is not perfumed, that is a pure petrolatum. I advise you to use that. It's going to make your face shiny. It's going to help your skin not to wrinkle because all the moistures will be locked in, and then you will have a better use of the same cream. So you are going to see that for the same cream used by you who now know how to use cream and somebody else who doesn't know how to use cream, that you are going to have a better result than the person who just uses cream, no matter how costly it is, and it doesn't wait. So this is how to use your cream, and it will work for you, last for you, and most importantly, help your skin, give your skin the required healing that those ceramides, niacinamides, hyaluronic acid, those things that they are supposed to do. So you're going to benefit more. And in the morning, you notice that your skin, you don't have all those cracks and racks. No, it doesn't happen to you. So all you need to do is just to use soap in the morning and wash off, because when you use the Vaseline, trust me, you're going to have a lot of oily substance around your bedding. And it's okay to have your Vaseline, it's okay to have your petrolatum on your beddings than have your ceramides hiding on your beddings. And then it's good for you to use silk, so that it will not absorb like cotton will absorb all your body water and all that. I hope that you've learned one or two things on this video. Please subscribe, share it with family and friends, like, give us a thumbs up, and until next time, you take care and bye.